Hello, in this video, I will show you how to add the mesh wall system in your store. Click on the new product icon on the left-hand side to reveal the products menu. Click on the wall system tab and select the mesh system. There are two subcategories, body and accessories and complementary products. Click on the body and select the side frame. Click to place the side frame. There are three standard width dimensions for the mesh system: 60 centimeters, 90 centimeters, and 120 centimeters. You may have any of the dimensions available on any unit. Once you have the structure, press Escape to exit command. Press Ctrl and click on the unit to select all connected pieces and enable the settings menu. You may make changes to the unit such as the height, material, add a top cover or base and adjust the height of the base. To add a base, simply select the finish and height desired. Press Escape to exit command. Click on Accessories and Complementary Products tab. Go to the Shelves and Apparatus tab. There are three different shelves options. Select the desired shelf and place it on the unit. Change the height of the shelf using the settings menu. Activate the static height and duplicate more shelves. Press Escape to exit the command. Click on the hanger and add one to the unit. Press Escape to exit the command. Click on the hanger to select and activate the static height. Click on Copy icon and add more hangers at the same height. Adjust the view using the 3D controls. You may move the camera using the icon on the top. You may copy the unit all at once. Press Ctrl and click on the unit to select all connected items. Click on Duplicate and click to copy. You may add a separate accessories unit as well. Click on the accessories unit on the products menu and select a cabinet. Click to place it where desired. Press Escape to exit command. You may add doors to the cabinet. Click on the door on the menu and place them where desired on the cabinet. Select all by pressing on Ctrl and clicking on the unit to enable the settings menu. You may choose how many boxes should the cabinet have along with the change of materials for all selected items. You may add a hanger above the cabinet. Simply click on the hanger on the Products menu and click to place it. Select the desired material and number of hangers. You may also add text on the hangers. Go to Label Text cell and add the texts you wish to display on the hangers. Use a comma in between the words to display them in different sections. Click Enter to add the texts. We have added a meshed system wall unit in the store. See you in the next tutorial video.